wait.
Yeah, I liked it. Good morning to everyone. I'm sure you all must be waiting to run. I won't take long time. I won't give big, long speeches. I like short and crisp to the point. So once again, good morning to everyone, respected guests, organizers, participants, press, media, and all the supporters who have supported and being with the trust throughout our journey. I thank each one of them who is making this event great. And today we are not just here to run, we are here to run for a cause that touches thousands of lives every single day. ఈరోజు మనం ఇక్కడ పరిగెత్తడానికే కాదు మనం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక కారణం కోసం మనం పరిగెత్తడానికి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము. ఆ కారణం ప్రతిరోజు వేలాది జీవితాల్ని తాకుతుంది. అట్లానే టుడే వీఆర్ నాట్ జస్ట్ హియర్ టు రన్, వీఆర్ హియర్ టు రన్ ఫర్ a cause that touches thousands of lives every single day. Imagine a small child who's just 5 years who has to be running in the playground, laughing with her friends, but imagine her sitting in the hospital in the room by herself. ఒక చిన్న పిల్లవాడి ఊహించండి, కేవలం 5 సంవత్సరాలు, అతను ఆడుకోవాల్సిన వయసులో, స్నేహితులతో సంతోషంగా జీవితం గడపాల్సిన వయసులో అతను ఆ పిల్లవాడు హాస్పిటల్లో ఆ చికిత్స పొందటానికి అతను అక్కడ ఆ నవ్వు కూడా కోల్పోతున్నాడు. మీరందరూ అదంతా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. And imagine every 15 to 20 days, the child has to undergo blood transfusion with needles, with pain, with weakness. This is not his choice. This is the life. This is thalassemia. Ide thalassemia ante. But there is the most powerful truth. Thalassemia is preventable. This is thalassemia. But there is the most powerful truth that thalassemia is preventable. Avunu, ఇది నివారించవచ్చు. ఖరీదైన చికిత్సతో కాదు, క్లిష్టమైన సాంకేతికతో కాదు, కానీ ఒక సులభమైన విషయంతో, అది అవగాహనతో. A small blood test before marriage and a one responsible decision, we can save an entire life. That means we all have the power to protect the future. Yes, we have and are obligated to protect the future. That means we have the power to protect the future, and yes, we are obligated to protect the future. And today's run is not just an event, it is a movement. It is a moment to spread awareness, encourage screening, promote voluntary blood donation. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి రక్తపు చుక్క మీరు దానం చేసేది ఒక జీవితాన్ని కాపాడుతుంది. అది మీరందరూ మర్చిపోకూడదు. Because every drop of blood you donate saves a life, and imagine a small child. And every bit of awareness can prevent a lifetime of suffering. As we run today, remember this, we are running for those who cannot run. We run for fitness. They, the children, they fight for their survival. We feel tired after a few minutes, but imagine for them, they fight every single day. So when you run today, just not run with your legs, run with the heart. Run for a child, run for a family, run for the future where no one has to suffer like this again. ఆ పిల్లవాడి కోసం మీరు పరిగెత్తండి, వాళ్ళ కుటుంబం కోసం మీరు పరిగెత్తండి. ఎవరు ఇలాగే బాధపడకుండా భవిష్యత్తు కోసం మీరందరూ కలిసి పరిగెత్తాలి. Let your footsteps become a message, aware today and a safe tomorrow. And let us run, not end at the finish line. Let it continue in our thoughts, in our actions, and in our choices. Because maybe, just maybe, because of what we do today, somewhere, a child will live, a child will smile, a child will finally run. Let's run for life, let's run for hope, and let's run for a better tomorrow. జీవితం కోసం పరిగెత్తుదాం, వాళ్ళ కుటుంబం కోసం మనందరం కలిసి పరిగెత్తుదాం, మంచి రేపటి కోసం మనందరం పరిగెత్తుదాం. We run for fitness. The children fight for survival. So run with your heart, not with your legs. Make a difference. Every step spreads awareness. Run with your heart and run for the child. We don't just have the power, we have the responsibility to protect our future. So in conclusion, always be graceful, be useful, keep life simple, leave it pleasant, live a life with dignity. And I thank each one of you once again, especially the young youth who are here. You are the ones who will take the future. You are the ones who will stand next to the child and imagine her smile. The child's smile is going to be a blessing from God onto each one of all who are here to participate in this run. And once again, I thank you one and all. Jai Hind.